So, ngayon, ang pag-aaralan natin is solving equalities, which is multiplication. So, paano ba tayo nagsosolve ng equality kapag multiplication? Ibig sabihin, pag multiplication, yung variable natin, may katabi siyang 2 kasi yung 2 times x is equal to 2x. Kumbaga, may multiply tayo. So, ngayon, madali lang naman siya. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin para makuha yung value ng x kapag multiplication sila, i-divide lang natin sila both side kung ano yung number na katabi ng variable. So, ang katabi ng variable natin ay 2. So, kailangan natin sila i-divide by 2. So, magiging 1 na to. 1 times x is x and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, ito na yung value ng x natin. So, to check, we have 2x is equals to 10 kapag yung x natin is 5, which is 10 is equals to 10. So, tama naman sila. So, paano naman sa isa nating example? So, meron tayong negative 5x equals to negative 30. Sabi natin, kailangan natin sila i-divide sa number na katabi ng variable. So, ang number natin is negative 5. So, meron tayong negative 5 both side na i-divide sa kanila. So, negative divided by negative is positive. So, tandaan po na ang times, na ang multiplication at division pagdating sa signs ay parehas lang po. So, pag positive times positive is positive, negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative. So, sa multiplication and division, applicable po ito. So, kailangan lang natin basahin yung problem para alam yung gagawin. So, meron tayong negative 5 divide negative 5 magiging positive 1. So, 1 times x is x, which is equals to negative divide negative is positive. So, 30 divide 5 is 6. So, ang answer natin is 6. So, to check, we have negative 5 times 6 equals to negative 30. So, negative times positive is negative. 5 times 6 is 30, which is equal to negative 30. So, remember lang natin yung signs and masasagutan na natin sila.